Have you been looking for a low maintenance home? Well, have I got the property for you. Hi, I'm Terry Sossman with the Alicia Collins Real Estate Team and RE/MAX the Group. I'm here at 1242 East 26th and I'd love to take you inside and show you around. Come on in. One and a half bath, 2-car garage home comes fully furnished. It also comes with brand new appliances and newer laminate flooring downstairs. One last thing, at the end of a long hard day, you can come home and relax in your hot tub. To see this home, please call me or text me. Make it a great home buying and selling day. See you soon.